Being an industry representative, I came from a system which was something very stringent, knowing the industry, cutthroat in terms of their talent that they want. But when I came to TDV, my perception about sending a student to an industry environment totally changed. So that's what you're experiencing here right now. You see these banners and all being done with fabric. When I tell it to my industry people, hey, this is what we reuse to then make a tote bag and gift, they are amazed. They know what the villaging is now, because villaging is an integral part of being ethical towards the current change that we are experiencing, right? So that's how I think the perception of industry is also changing when we talk about the design spectrum overall, right? So if you would want to move this side.
Actually, as they say, historically it used to be a mill. I think they are still keeping it that way. That's the famous classroom that the student actually sit on these stairs. Saurabh was mentioning about this, huh?
Yeah, I wanted everyone to just come and see and let me know.
So that was the classroom the founder was mentioning. The students sit on the stairs.
So this is also a part of the original
So this is a typical classroom with stepped up sitting. And see, this is how students sit on wooden steps, and there are a lot of pillows. So this is the classroom. Seems absolutely different way to teach, and really something very different. The building was actually old factory, and they have taken it over. See the roofs. So not much changes they have done for the original architecture.